so much action under there right now. Nope.
Oh, fish? Nope.
Screw you. Just kidding. It's all good. Just the smell of all these dead fish.
Makes me want to go. Oh, there's a catfish right there too. It's
Where?
dead. It's dead though.
Oh, it's baby maybe.
Oh my finger!
I have a feeling I just missed a good one.
Let's watch Kale.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
hell.
shoot. Oh my.
Oh.
Get the net, dude. Get the net.
I will.
Oh my.
I'm gonna snag.
Oh. Get the net. Go. Go. Oh, carp.
No way!
Go.
Don't lose him. Is it nice?
Yeah. Come on, quick.
Where is he? I'm gonna take the video.
Here.
Where is he? See that carp? We just snagged him one. Bring him closer. I'm gonna fall in here.
Come on, baby.
Bring him closer. Hey, yeah! Folks,
You still on?
yeah, just caught this nice little carp.
What do you know? Guess how we caught him?
Snagging.
Nice.
We're in the fin.
Oh, that was a fight. Oh,
He's
hook's
off.
already out.
I'm lucky to land him.
Keep video on. I mean,
Well, I have a snag right now.
no, you probably have a big carp.
Snag. Oh, I found the catfish that came off. Here you go.
Just trying to get this hook out of it. Got it. Here, Brandon, don't worry about that right now.
Here.
We got a huge carp on.
Not that big.
For us, today?
For today, yeah, it's nice.
Here,
Biggest fish of the
go
day
ahead,
by
bring him
far. Okay, give me this.
Are you bleeding?
Me?
There's blood on your finger.
No, that's one catfish.
Okay, let's get this boy up. Okay?
Damn it.
Just leave it down. We'll get after this. Okay?
I need to get this out right now.
Would you just hold it by his mouth? Lip lock it?
That's how I usually hold him.
Awesome, carp. Oh, their mouths are tiny. Here, Brayden, take the video. Nice carp. Hey, Brayden, come on. Don't worry about it.
Snagged him. Nice carp, too.
I need 2 hands for this one. Oh my gosh. Fin stuck in that net.
I got a snake right under that bridge.
Okay, got it.
Nice carp. Nice carp.
Not bad, eh?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna get.
Size? Just snagged him in that top fin.
It's probably a good 15 to 20 inches.
Yeah. Not
When-
massive for here, as you can see. Okay. One more look. Ready to put it
We're
back.
gonna go take some pictures
You
now.
ready? Watch this release.
We're gonna take some pictures, then we're gonna watch the release.
Okay.
Well, okay, let's go again.
Video.
Yeah, go.
Okay.
Okay, put it on.
This carp. Decent size, probably over 20. Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, watch the release. Yeah, oh, he gone. He did not like anything part of that. Now let's try to get my snake out. Grr.
Ah, I got slimy carp hands,
Yeah, if you come to Camp Dearborn with me, the videos and Cal, we'll catch some of that twice the size.
man. No, that sounds fun. Okay, where can I wash my hands?
In the water.
How am I gonna get down there, man?
There's a rock right there. You can see? Step on a rock.
Keep video and put on the rock and